Hi! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano babayaran ang aking second quarter income tax return. Dito tayo guys sa PayMaya. So punta muna tayo sa Government, Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR, and then got it. Then ilalagay natin dito yung 9 digits na TIN number natin. So make sure na tama lahat guys para walang problema. Since ang pinag-uusapan natin dito ay pera. So mahirap na, diba? Yon. And then, ilalagay natin sa TIN branch code ay ang 000 or 50. And then, yung amount from the tax filing, kung magkano yung babayaran natin. And then, yung RDO code, make sure na tama yung lalagay din natin, na makikita nyo rin yan sa inyong COR. Kailangan guys is tama lahat ng details para walang problema pagdating sa payment. Sayang naman yung pinayad natin kung magkakaroon lang. Yung form series nga pala ng 17108Q ay 1700 series, and then 1701Q yung form type code. And then tax type is IT, yun lang naman yung option dyan. Return period natin is June 30 kasi this is for April, May, June. So yung ang gagamitin natin is last month. Okay? And then your email, of course. It is important para masend din doon yung receipt or yung binayaran natin for this return period or for this amount. Then yun lang guys. Pag nalagay nyo na yung details nyo, click continue lang. Ayan, pasensya nyo na. Tagal niya mag-click ng continue. So siguro nang ipag continue. Siri, please. Ayun, nasend niya na. Nasend. Na-click niya na yung continue, and then check the details, verify it carefully, and then kung okay na, click pay. Pay po, please. Yorn. Thank you. And then continue. Tama naman yung amount. Click continue. My charge na 20 kaya naging 2010. Then payment successful. View receipt. And then share or save this receipt para meron tayong copy. Ayan, save to gallery. And then, yun, na-save na yan. And then, pwede nyo na siyang i-print out, guys, as your proof for future references sa BIR. Kailangan talaga yan. And, of course, yung final, yung 1701Q together with this receipt. Yun lang, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!